In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover your Udemy password. Let's get started right from the beginning. First, open your web browser and go to the Udemy website. You can do this on a computer, tablet, or phone. But using a computer often makes the process a bit easier to see and follow along. Once the Udemy homepage loads, look for the option to log in. This is usually found at the top right corner of the screen. On the login page, instead of entering your email and password, look for a link that says something like, "Forgot password?" or "Trouble logging in?" Go ahead and click that. This is the official way to reset your password, and it's much safer than trying any third-party tools. You'll be taken to a password reset page. Here, Udemy will ask for the email address associated with your account. Type in the email you used when you first created your Udemy account. Take a moment to make sure there are no typos, because if the email is incorrect, you won't receive the reset link. After entering your email, click the button to submit or continue. Udemy will now send a password reset email to that address. This usually arrives within a minute or two, but it can sometimes take a bit longer. While you wait, open your email inbox in a new tab or on your email app. If you don't see the email in your main inbox, check your spam or junk folder, as automated messages can sometimes land there. Once you've found the email from Udemy, open it and look for a button or link that says something like "Reset Password." Click that link. It will take you back to Udemy on a secure page where you can create a new password. On this page, you'll be asked to enter your new password and then confirm it by typing it again. Choose a password that's strong and unique. A mix of letters, numbers, and symbols is ideal. Avoid using simple words or anything too easy to guess. When you're happy with your new password, save or confirm the change. After that, you should see a confirmation that your password has been updated. You can now go back to the Udemy login page, enter your email address and your new password, and sign into your account. If everything was entered correctly, you'll be logged in and ready to continue learning on Udemy with your recovered access.